Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you through how to change the date format in Windows 11. Whether you prefer a different style for the short date or want to adjust it to your personal preference, let's begin the steps. First, move your cursor to the Start icon at the bottom and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to open the Windows 11 Settings panel. Next, in the Settings window, click on Time and Language. Once you are in Time and Language, select Date and Time from the options on the right-hand side. Then, scroll down and click on Change the Date and Time formats. Here, you will see options for both the short date and long date formats. Focus on the short date option, as this is the format most commonly displayed across Windows apps and the taskbar. Finally, click on the drop-down menu under Short Date and choose the format that best suits your preference. You can select formats depending on your needs. Once you make your selection, the new format will immediately take effect across your system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find this helpful.